American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most beautiful luxury homes, modern villas, and dream houses from around the world. Today's video is very special because we are showing the complete journey of building a modern dream home from start to finish. From an empty piece of land to a fully finished luxury mansion, this house was designed with a perfect combination of blue, cream, and golden colors to create a stylish and elegant look. The design of this home follows a modern contemporary style with clean lines, large panoramic windows, and a flat roof that gives the house a rich and powerful appearance. Every detail was carefully planned to make this house not only beautiful but also comfortable for family living. Let's start with the exterior view. As you can see from the drone shot, the house looks absolutely stunning from above. The combination of blue and cream walls with golden lights makes the mansion look very expensive and modern. The front yard is designed with green grass, palm trees, and beautiful outdoor lighting that gives a luxury hotel feeling. Now we move to the main entrance. The entrance of the house is wide and welcoming. The large modern door, marble stairs, and golden lights create a strong first impression. This is the kind of entrance that makes every guest feel special when they arrive. When we step inside, we enter the living room. The living room is designed with a blue, cream, and golden theme. There is a big comfortable sofa, a large TV wall, and beautiful LED lighting. The marble floor and the luxury chandelier make the space look very elegant. This room is perfect for relaxing, watching movies, or spending time with family. Next, we go to the kitchen. This modern kitchen is built with high-quality materials. The cabinets are blue, the walls are cream, and the handles and lights are golden. In the center, there is a big island table where the family can sit together. The kitchen also has modern appliances and bright lighting that makes cooking easy and enjoyable. Now we move to the dining room. The dining area has a large table with beautiful chairs and a golden chandelier above it. This is the perfect place for family dinners and special occasions. The open design connects the dining room with the kitchen and living room, making the house feel bigger and more comfortable. Next, we check the garage. This modern garage has space for multiple luxury cars. The design is clean and simple, with bright lights and strong flooring. A house like this always needs a big garage for convenience and style. Now let's go to the bedroom. The master bedroom is one of the most beautiful parts of the house. It has a large king-size bed, modern wall design, LED lights, and a big window with an outside view. The blue, cream, and golden colors make the room feel calm and luxury at the same time. Next is the bathroom. This bathroom looks like a 5-star hotel spa. It has marble tiles, a modern bathtub, a glass shower, and golden fittings. The mirror has LED lights, and the design feels very clean and relaxing. Now we go to the gym room. This house also has a private gym with modern equipment, mirrors, and bright lights. Having a gym at home makes life easier and healthier. Let's see the TV lounge. The TV lounge is designed for entertainment. There is a big screen, comfortable sofas, and soft lighting. This is the perfect place to watch movies, play games, and spend time with friends. Now we move outside to the swimming pool. The pool area looks amazing, especially at night. The blue water, golden lights, and modern design make this space look like a luxury resort. This is the best place to relax during summer. Finally, we take one more drone view of the full house. From above, you can see how perfectly everything is designed. The house, the garden, the pool, and the lighting all come together to create a true dream home. This modern mansion shows how an empty land can become a beautiful luxury house with the right design and planning. If you enjoyed this house tour, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more luxury homes, modern villas, and dream house tours.